When it comes to video editing, AI tools like RunwayML and Neural.love are rapidly gaining attention. But which one truly stands out for your needs? In this video, we're going to break down the features of both tools and help you figure out which one is more suitable for video editing. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a surprise recommendation that beats both of these options. Spoiler alert. Let's dive straight in with RunwayML. One of its main selling points is its powerful integration with machine learning models. It's designed to streamline complex tasks like object tracking, background removal, and even AI-driven video generation. If you're working with high-quality footage and want the flexibility to experiment with different models and visual effects, RunwayML is impressive. The platform also lets you run real-time collaborative projects, which is great if you're working with a team. But here's the catch: it can be a bit overwhelming if you're new to AI or video editing in general. The user interface is sleek, but it can feel like there's a steep learning curve when you first dive into it. Also, while RunwayML's tools are powerful, you'll need to pay attention to the details when it comes to rendering times and exporting video at high quality. The processing power required can slow things down, which might be frustrating for fast-paced editing. Next up is Neural.love. This tool offers a unique twist with its focus on AI-generated videos, which is especially useful for projects that need a high level of automation. Neural.love gives you access to deep learning models that can take a script and generate a video based on it. This is perfect for content creators who don't have the time or resources to shoot hours of footage. It's also great for adding AI-generated visuals or enhancing existing clips. However, there are limitations. Neural.love's AI-generated content doesn't always match the quality of real-life video footage, especially when it comes to subtle details. The editing options are fairly limited, and customization feels like it takes a back seat to automation. If you're looking for fine control over every aspect of your video, you might find yourself frustrated. Now let's talk about performance. In terms of speed, Neural.love can generate videos fairly quickly, but it's more suited to projects where AI content generation is the main focus. For something more traditional, like intricate video editing with personalized tweaks, RunwayML might be a better choice. But both platforms are far from perfect. They're still evolving and face occasional glitches or performance issues when handling complex projects. Next thing to consider is pricing. RunwayML operates on a subscription model, and while you get access to some cool features, the pricing can get steep for casual users. On the other hand, Neural.love offers more affordable options, but again, you may get what you pay for in terms of customization and quality. Both tools bring something to the table, but there's a lot of room for improvement in both. As I mentioned earlier, I've tried both of these platforms myself, and while they're good, if you're looking for an alternative that truly stands out for video editing, I recommend checking out the software linked in the description. This tool has all the advanced features you'll need, without the steep learning curve of RunwayML or the limitations of Neural.love. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial that's not available anywhere else. So, while RunwayML and Neural.love are great options for specific needs, they're not perfect for everyone. If you want something that delivers on both quality and ease of use, make sure to try out the free trial through our link and see for yourself. You won't regret it.